If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might feel like you're drowning in a sea of jargon, abbreviations, and acronyms. Don't worry, you're not alone. Even experienced traders can get confused by the ever-evolving language of the crypto community. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the most common abbreviations used by cryptocurrency traders. HODL, hold on for dear life. Let's start with one of the most iconic expressions in the cryptocurrency world. HODL originated from a misspelling of the word hold in a Bitcoin forum post, and it has since become a rallying cry for those who believe in the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies. HODLing means holding on to your crypto investments even when the market dips or crashes. As one popular meme goes, I'm not selling. I'm HODLing. FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO is the feeling you get when you see everyone else making money in the cryptocurrency market and you don't want to miss out on the action. It's a common emotion among new investors, but it can also lead to impulsive buying decisions and FUD. Remember, FOMO is not a good strategy for investing in cryptocurrencies. Do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD is a tactic used by some in the crypto community to spread negative or false information about a particular cryptocurrency or project. FUD can cause panic selling and market crashes, so it's important to do your own research and not blindly follow the rumors. FUDsters often use fear-mongering tactics to create doubt and uncertainty in the market, but if you have a strong investment thesis and understand the fundamentals of a project, you can weather the FUD storm. ADH, all-time high. ADH is the highest price a particular cryptocurrency has ever reached. When a cryptocurrency breaks its ADH, it can signal a bullish market and generate excitement among investors. However, ADHs can also be a double-edged sword, as they can create unrealistic expectations and lead to FOMO-driven buying. DYOR, do your own research. DYOR is a common expression in the crypto community and a mantra for responsible investors. It means that you should not rely on others' opinions or hype when making investment decisions. Instead, you should conduct your own research, read white papers, understand the technology and the team behind the project, and evaluate the risks and potential rewards. DYOR is the best defense against FOMO and FUD. Conclusion. Now that you know some of the most common terminologies and abbreviations used in cryptocurrency trading, you can start engaging with the crypto community with more confidence. Understanding these expressions will help you navigate the market and make informed investment decisions. But don't stop here. Join online communities like Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord spaces, where you can connect with other crypto enthusiasts, learn more about different projects, and get real-time market insights. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so keep learning, keep exploring, and keep HODLing.